Alright guys, so I just printed this setup table. I forget what we call it, but it sees how much of a side hill I guess your crawler can get. I decided these transmission gears, so let's see how much we can get. Like, I don't know if I'll do anything, but 10, 20, 30, 40, when it falls, 40. Let me see, like, stuff you want to go. I also forgot to mention that I was using the battery. The battery's installed on installed on the high trail, right? Just then when I was doing it on this, so the battery's installed in here. So let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's 40. What am I doing? It's 50. Probably 58. It stopped right there, right? I'll say 58. And last but not least, the RF40 with battery installed. 10. Is that over? Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40. Say 42. The Orange Gecko has the highest score with 58, I think. Yep. All right. It's a very cool print. Found the file for the print on Maker World. Very nice. I really like it. I'm definitely gonna use these with my builds when I upgrade them and stuff. And yes, yeah.